Hi guys, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today we're going to make a brass crystal necklace and earring set. So I just love these brass and crystal pieces. It's a little charm, and they're decorative on the sides. And I just think they're so sweet and vintage looking, and I just want to make a sweet little necklace with some brass chain. And then I just want to dangle some of these around, and then I just want to do a simple pair of earrings with these. So we're going to start with the earrings. So for these, we're just going to take these ear wires. They're a little bit longer, which I really like because I think that this adds to it when we're just having one little dangle off the end. It just makes it a little bit more fancy. So I'm just gonna take my pliers and grab this here and then just gently twist that open. And then I'm gonna take one of these crystals, string it on, and then I'm just gonna close that back. It's super simple, but it will go nicely with the necklace. And then if you don't want something dangly like this, we have other brass ear wires that are smaller and a little bit daintier if you don't like something so long. And just gently twist that back into place. And then my earrings are done. So they're right there. And then for the necklace, I went ahead and cut the chain. I really like this chain. It's got these bars and then this little guy and these jump rings. So I went ahead and cut this to be 15 inches. That way when I add the clasp, it will give me about an inch. So it'll be about 16 inches long. So first thing that I'm going to want to do is make sure that these end ideally the same way. And right now they're not. I've got an extra bar here. So I'm going to make sure if holding these two sides, if I'm good with the center. So right now the center is going to be there, and that's fine. I can just make this my center, twist it a little to the side. And then I may have to cut one of these bars at the end, but we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna start right here as my center. And then I have these little 4mm open jump rings. And I'm just gonna take a pair of pliers on one side and another pair of pliers on the other side. And I'm just gonna gently twist that open. And then I can put my crystal on the jump ring. There we go. And then I'm gonna find the center of this necklace again. Just right down here. Back on either side and just gently twist that back into place. And there's one attached. And then I think I'm going to skip out and go to about here before the next one. Okay, so actually I think I'm going to put them a little bit closer than I had thought. And you got to make sure your crystals are going in the same direction. So I'm going to go right here with this. And then just close that right up. Let's see. They're going the same way now. And then I'm just gonna do those all the way up until I have as many crystals on there as I would like. So I think this is about as far up as I'm gonna go with my crystals. I did 9 total. And then for the end, I'm just gonna make sure that I'm even on the ends. Okay, so then I'm gonna, again, take my jump ring and put my pliers on either side. And then I'm just gonna gently twist that open. I'm gonna add my lobster clasp to one side. And then put my pliers back and gently twist that back into place together. And then for the other side, I'm gonna use a jump ring. And I'm gonna use a 6mm soldered jump ring. I'm gonna put my clasp in the end of my chain through the 4mm jump ring. And then I'm gonna put my pliers back there and twist it into place. So that's all it takes, and the necklace and the earring set are done. Thanks so much for watching. You can find all the supplies at cherrytreebeads.com.